Hey guys, we are on 2 kilometers now and we are seeing flames.
Whip, body, crib, got it, drive on it. Did I ever ask you to take me to go shopping in Paris or go sailing overseas and just drape me in Gucci? No, all I ever asked was you to pick up the phone when you alone. All I ever asked was you to show me some love, kisses and hugs. No, I never had an issue. Go to the club with your boys, baby. I never wanted you to stay too long. Just wanted you to show me up. So won't you say my name, say my name? If you claim you want me, it ain't no thing. You acting kinda shady. You ain't been calling me baby. Boy, you can go stop playing games, playing games. I know you see it in my line, I'm on your mind and that you want this bad, so I'm cool with that. I'm just trying to match your words with your actions. I need more than satisfaction. Did you really feel that action? Really wanna give you all the flex in front of your friends? How that works? Swear that you're doing the most, but we take a picture, keep up.
Welcome guys. We just started hiking. I didn't greet you, I know. Welcome. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Welcome to a new vlog. We are here at Sohara. That is in the northwest. We are doing a 10-kilometer walk. And I hope we're gonna finish it with this good energy. Come along with me guys. This is me with my 6-pack. And we have the ladies at the back and the ladies in front, and I'm in the middle. We're gonna explore guys and have some fun. Oh, and it's Sunday, it's Easter Sunday today. Happy Easter guys. Happy Easter to everyone. Yeah.
kahle for ukuba magwala. Into eziningi
Usufakile no 2 rand.
Tapani guys, tap the
How? Njani?
Guys, this is the second location. We're not here to hike, we're here to eat because they have a restaurant and that restaurant has got nice food. This is a King's Kloof hiking. I'll link the video that I took when we were here and then you'll just see how it looks, but we're not here for hiking, we're here to eat. I hope you'll enjoy. Morning guys, welcome back to my channel. This is days later. The last time I vlogged, I went to Monte Cassino, to the Wings Republic. That date was just boring. That's why even the footage is not giving. But anyways, not gonna talk about that. I came back very late and I couldn't shoot, and the following day I just felt so sick. I felt so sick. Yo guys, I only recovered yesterday and I went to the gym, and now I was thinking I need to shoot a new video and I'm like, I don't have space. So I need to finish editing this one and then upload it and then clear and then get space. Those who know. But I'm here to close off this vlog, and I would like to say thank you to everyone that's been engaging on my channel. Even the last wedding vlog, guys, that wedding was the best. I really enjoyed myself. Guys, that's who I become when I'm at a very good energetic place where there's vibes. I'm the girl that will come with the wig and leave with no wig, because I'll be dancing sober as a judge, for that matter.
But yeah, really enjoyed with my family. That's my family from all around South Africa, because we're from different provinces. And yes, thank you so much for engaging. And guys, I think we're on 310. Boo, 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 boo. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for believing in me and subscribing. I hope you stay, and I hope you do enjoy. You know, Ngiyabonga mina. Ngiyabonga mina. Yeah, guys, there's not much that I can say. I'm really humbled. Road to 400. Let's go.